Fastest and easiest way to etch Tumbler. Step 1. If you have a design to use, upload it to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Once the image loads into the canvas, go to Shapes and select a square. Step 3. Unlock the square and resize it, then bring the design to the square and resize the square to ensure that it fits. Step 4. Select both designs, click the Align drop-down and select Center. Step 5. With both the layers selected, click Slice and drag the sliced results apart. Step 6. With the slice results selected, click the box in the Operation section, then change the color. Step 7. Delete the sliced result that you do not need, then click Make It. Step 8. Check both the mats and the placement of the design, then click Continue. Step 9. Place the material on the mat and set vinyl as the base material. Step 10. Load the mat into the machine and start cutting. Step 11. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, flip it over and peel it away from the material. Step 12. Trim off the excess material and weed out the design. Step 13. Grab transfer tape and apply it to the design. Step 14. Now clean the tumbler with rubbing alcohol. Step 15. Peel the backing sheet away from the decal and transfer tape. Step 16. Place the design on the tumbler and scrape it down with a scraper tool to ensure that the vinyl decal adheres well. Step 17. Once done, peel off the transfer tape and tape it down. Step 18. Place the tumbler between two squeegee tools, then grab a heat gun and apply heat all over the design. Step 19. Next, grab a Cricut knife and add some score lines in the weeded out areas to ensure that the tumbler strips flawlessly without causing tears. Step 20. Make sure to add the score line on every part of the design inside the stencil. Step 21. Once done, put on protection gloves, grab the stripping gel and apply it all over the design using a paintbrush. Step 22. Apply the stripping gel evenly, then let it sit for about 10 minutes. Step 23. Next, grab aluminium foil and place the tumbler on it. Step 24. Grab another piece of aluminium foil, place it over the design, and let it sit for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Step 25. Apply heat over the aluminium foil using the heat gun. Step 26. Once done, peel off the aluminium foil and remove the strips. Step 27. If it's not stripping off in some areas, place the aluminium foil back on, then apply heat in that area for another 30 seconds. Step 28. Remove the foil and check the result. Step 29. Next, grab a paper towel and wipe off the stripping gel. Step 30. Rinse it off in water, remove the stencil and check how it turned out. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.